What if you could reprogram your mind using nature's own mathematical formula? Imagine applying the Fibonacci sequence to your daily affirmations. Day 1, speak one affirmation once. Day 2, repeat it twice. Day 3, say 2 different affirmations. Following this pattern, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 repetitions. By day 21, something unexpected happens. Your brain begins recognizing the mathematical pattern embedded in your speech. This activates both logical left brain processing and creative right brain visualization simultaneously. Within 6 weeks, these structured affirmations create measurably stronger neural pathways than random positive self-talk. Your mind responds to the universal growth pattern found throughout nature. The Fibonacci sequence doesn't just organize your thoughts, it programs your brain using the same formula that creates seashells, galaxies, and flower petals. You're literally speaking your greatness into existence using nature's blueprint for growth.